the ANA Community Manager, and we are here at Tangible Investments table, and we are going to talk about the $4 Stella Set. We are here with Mike Bonham. Mike, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Mike Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Tangible Investments. We've been in business over 40 years. We have impeccable credentials, and we've also been very blessed to have handled some very high-end, world-class rarities, and I'm very proud to be showing off a few of those today. We did a press release before the show, and we got coverage by a lot of magazines and newspapers and a lot of excitement, but what we have are the $4 Stellas. PCGS has made comments that they are by far the most popular and desirable of all American numismatic coins. A lot of people don't know that we made a $4 gold coin, and it was a very short issue. It was between 1879 and 1880. These are some blown up pictures here, and you have two different designs of the coins. You have a flowing hair design, as you see here on the bottom two, and then you have the coiled hair design, as you see here on the top two. Most people that can make the claim that they have ever owned a Stella, it's typically going to be this piece here, the 1879 flowing hair, only because the original mintage was 425 as compared to the other three where you have a mintage of 10, 20, and 35. So obviously those are going to be even harder to come by. We've even had John Albanese, who's the CEO of CAC, make comments that it's very unusual to see all four together. And what we have is the current finest and the all-time finest set of $4 Stellas ever put together. So in 37 years, I've been privileged to handle several 6- and 7-figure world-class rare coins. And the Stella collection is by far my best. I don't know that I'm going to ever be able to top that. So it's a privilege to be able to offer that. And it is for sale. And for anybody that has any further questions, you can call Mike Bonham at area code 949-878-0393. And I'd be happy to talk to you about any of the details and how to buy it and even a plan down the road of how to sell it. And so we're very proud to show those off, and we have a few other pieces on display if we can work our way over here.
Check out these other pieces here.
Here in this case, I have a 1845 proof gold set. And now we're talking a set of coins that were made 178 years ago. And it's been said that there's 4 that were made, but there's basically only been 3 sets that were actually out into circulation. One has never been seen in 178 years. The second set is currently at the Smithsonian Institute, and then there's ours. So this is the only set that anybody could possibly ever own. And PCGS wrote an article about this a short while back, and here you'll see this set comes with the original box from the mint from 1845, which is unusual. So we're very proud to have this on display, and we have some interested parties both in this as well as the Stella collection. And lastly here we're showing off the rarest silver dollar ever made, which is the 1870s silver dollar. There's approximately 12 or less than 12 known to exist, and this happens to be the King Farouk of Egypt specimen. And his collection sold way back in 1954 in London. And along with the coin, I actually have the auction catalog from 1954 called the Palace Collection when his collection was sold, which of course included this coin. And so this is a very rare coin. All of these are extremely rare. These are the type of coins you typically only see at a public auction. And again, chances of actually buying one or like winning the lottery, it's very, very unlikely. But I'm very proud to be able to offer them privately, and we do have some interested parties in these coins.
Yeah, they're absolutely beautiful.
And very rare.
And very rare. That's cool.
And
unique find.
And the good news is with coins like these, over the long run, they just keep going up in value.
Yeah, and what are these valued at now?
This set here, the 1845 set, is currently valued at $3.5 million. The silver dollar is priced at $595,000, and the $4 Stella collection is currently at $8.5 million.
$8.5 million. Wow, that's
and we
incredible.
could work out some kind of term payments if necessary.
Wonderful. Yeah. So.
And I promised to show off. There she is, and my 4-year-old granddaughter. Who,
how sweet.
Besides my wife, is the apple of my eye, and now she's on TV.
Oh, how special. Oh, she's so cute.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you guys for tuning in. We are at the World's Fair of Money. We are here August 6th through the 10th at the Donald E. Stevens Convention Center, checking out tangible investments. Thank you so much, Mike, for sharing this information with us. Beautiful collection. So if you're here, check it out. If not, try next year. Thanks for tuning in.